touch my pizza, don't touch my jelly. I'll make you fear me like I did Gillespie. You touch my pizza, you're gonna have to die. Write up all your farewells, bid your buddies goodbye. Is it your death day? Think I forgot it. Since it's not over, let's go to your coffin. I'm sorry, 2 times for cleaving to your skull. Here's a knuckle sandwich, you're getting a mouthful. Toss you in my freezer, turn you into a Klondike bar. I don't know where you're going, but you aren't going far. Toss you in my freezer, turn you into a Klondike bar. I don't know where you're going, but you aren't going far. Just a reminder, don't touch my pizza, but you'll regret it once I go and beat ya. Keep your composure, things will get out of hand. Don't know what I'm doing, she wrote this at 1 a.m. Just close your eyes, man, it'll be alright. And on the bright side, you put up a good fight. I'm only kidding, you look like a noob. Since I got my clips, I'll be putting them on YouTube.